In front of me is POCO X8 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and tap on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you don't have one, click on this gear one instead and choose voice typing. Now use this switcher next to voice typing to activate it, and when you're ready, go back to your keyboard to click on Now Visible Microphone. Select while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. Quick tip, when you click on a microphone, tap on tiny icon right next to it. This one. Then choose Next, select Done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To move it around, hold it, drag it and let go. If you want to delete anything, use this button with an X. To access available options from Toolbar, click on those three lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, click on keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!